All right, Shalom. First, I want to give all praises, honor, and glory to Yahweh, Bahashem Yahweh Shai, Bahashem Rachak Wadash. Double honors to the apostles of Great Millstone, and peace and blessings to the elect. Real quick, let me see this. Here's a nice article that just just came out. Actually, I just saw it. All right, it says here, it says China fights back against Trump tariffs by lowering duties on U.S. competitors. But then there's another one that says here, so I'm gonna go into this one. It says downing of U.S. drone, a clear message to Washington. That was from Iran's IRGC commander. Okay, so let's see. Let me read the article. Let's see what it says. It says the head of Iran's elite revolutionary guards, all right, which we know the U.S. declared them as a terrorist group. All right. It says the downing of a U.S. drone over its territory was a clear message to Washington, proving Tehran will react strongly to any military aggression. Okay, and what did they say? They said they're not gonna start a war. All right, but they're gonna defend themselves. All right, if they're provoked, and that's the same stance Russia was taking. So it says proven, just hours earlier, Iran claimed to have shot down a U.S. RQ-4 spy drone over Hormozgan province. It says images of suspected hit were later posted online, showing a burning device falling from the sky. I mean, but what do you expect if you know, knowing the tensions between U.S. and Iran, the U.S. got a drone, all right, like it says here, in that province or around that area, okay? The U.S., I don't know if they're forgetting that Iran is not Iraq or Afghanistan, man. And people worldwide keep saying that, like, yo, we know what you did before, we see the patterns in your works, all right, and we see what you're trying to do, but this isn't gonna end the same way, all right? And even in the scriptures it says that, okay? This is gonna be that one bear you poke that, well, you got poked back, okay? And it's not gonna end well for the U.S., man. But what? Because of their pride, all right, it's blinding them, all right? The Lord has used the pride of these devils to blind them to where they still think that every other country is scared and they can do whatever it is that they want, all right? So let me keep reading. It says, the downing of the and now, mind you, while all this is going on, you had Trump increase military presence in the Middle East, okay, because Iran says they're gonna, start their uranium, all right, thing again, all right, the uranium, I believe it was the uranium enrichment thing, to where, because there was a limit that they couldn't pass, all right, with their uranium production, but now they're like, to hell with that, because why are we keeping this deal that the U.S. isn't keeping? And on top of that, the U.S. is trying to turn this into a public enemy. So at some point, we're going to need to have the defense. They got Russia backing them, but they're still going to need their own weapons. All right, so it says, I'll read a little bit more. The downing of the American drone was a clear message to America. The Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps Commander-in-Chief Hossein Salami told local media. He added that any intrusion across Iran's borders will be seen as a red line and will be met with strong resistance. All right. He says Iran is not seeking war with any country, but we are fully prepared to defend Iran. All right. And that's the stance these nations are taking, man. So the U.S. got to be careful. But according to prophecy, the U.S. is going to do something. All right. But this world war is on its way, man. Low and that was edifying. Call hello, Yahweh, Bahashem Yahweh Shai, and Shalom.